Hey everyone, this is Rakshita working at Inspire. Today I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching logo using Canva. First, we'll go to templates and we'll search logo. After searching logos, we will select any one of the logo and redesign it. We'll first change the color of the logo background. We'll go with pink or any color which suits you guys. You can pick something light. This looks good. We'll change the name and change it to Raksha Archive, and then we'll change this art works, and if needed can change the color of the girl icon. And if needed, there is animation, you can animate it. And if you need to put any extra elements, you can add in here. You can go to elements and pick any elements here. If you want to delete this girl, you can delete it and add these elements. And can edit it. We'll make it bigger. And to get this in the front, you have to double tap layer, get it forward. So here it is done. We have created a logo. Then we'll go to share and we'll download it. It will be downloading in PNG format. Hit download, and our logo is designed. This is how we create our logo in minutes using Canva. For more, like, share and subscribe to Inspire.